Welcome back to the Ragu Guru. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make a souffle. In English, a souffle is just a food cooked with eggs. Whereas in French, it is a puff of air like clouds in the sky. Oui, mon chéri. Gonna be making a crab, asparagus, and Swiss cheese souffle. And then, of course, a Caesar salad with fresh mangoes. Here's all the stuff. Let's add it. And for our final prep, we're going to be chopping up the asparagus and crab meat very finely. And then we're going to take our dill and chives and parsley and mince those up pretty good. And then we're going to preheat the oven to 375 and get ready for our bechamel, because it's souffle time. A bechamel sauce is, of course, a mother sauce, and it's quite simple. You first melt all your butter, and then you add flour slowly, dissolve that into the butter, and cook it at medium heat. And then, of course, you add flour until you are perfectly satisfied with your roux. And then, of course, you're going to be adding milk slowly to it. Whole milk is best, apparently. And you just slowly add your milk and watch it get thicker and thicker and thicker and thicker until you have it exactly where you want it, which takes, constant 10 minutes or so. And then after that, you have yourself a perfectly balanced bechamel. Voila. And with our bechamel prep, we're going to start it off. Add the asparagus and crab, and the Swiss cheese, ginger, lemon zest, and cayenne pepper, your aromatics of parsley, dill, and chives. Fold them all together thoroughly. Add your egg yolks, and then really mix them thoroughly. And then transfer that to another bowl. Add a third of the egg whites. And after those are mixed in, add the rest of the eggs whites. Stir it up very good. And then pour it into your buttered ramekin, 3/4 from the top. And then into your oven, 375, 35 to 40 minutes. And for the Caesar salad, we have our emulsion of eggs, safflower oil, and lemon. We add garlic and anchovies, of course, and we're going to blend that up and set it aside and make our salad. Romaine lettuce, add your dressing, then your finely grated Parmesan cheese, freshly ground black pepper, and some kosher salt. Mix it up thoroughly, put it on your plate. Then, of course, add those beautiful mangoes to your dish. Pull that beautiful souffle out of the oven and get ready to serve. Absolutely beautiful souffle with a salad. And, of course, with souffle, you must serve immediately, so have everything on your plate before you even pull it out of the oven. Swiss asparagus and crab souffle with a Caesar salad with mangoes. A treat indeed, and easy to make. Okay, people, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.